Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. So ThreadBeast both sent me my final baller box. I canceled the subscription because I mean, not that I can't afford it. I just don't need any more clothes right now. My money needs to go towards my car to finish some stuff up. So anyways, they sent me the referral box as well as the baller box. So this is almost like basically a double unboxing. So the baller box is their top of their tier. It's $250. I did get a $20% off. So I paid $200 for the $250 box because I've done a lot of these. So they gave me the discount when I was gonna cancel it. So if you threaten to cancel it, they do offer you a little extra bonus cheapness for that one more box before they cancel it. If you're not familiar with Baller Box, it's a monthly subscription for men that are lazy like me, that don't necessarily want to go to the mall to go shopping. So they send you clothes. You have your own stylist that chooses things. They look at your Instagram, but you give them a bunch of feedback, send them a bunch of other people's boxes that you like the clothing for. Then they send you whatever the hell they want. Pretty much. I mean, for the most part, I've liked most of the things. There's a couple items here and there that I've been kind of like, what the heck. My first box, they did troll me, but I sent half of it back and they sent me replacement stuff. So you can see all those other unboxings. But the baller box comes with shoes guaranteed. They do have a cheaper one. I think it's $150, or that's the premium, that doesn't necessarily come with shoes. Then they actually have a couple other tiers below that. It's what you can afford on a monthly basis. You don't have to do a monthly subscription. You can cancel at any time. So just read their terms. That way you know what you're getting yourself into. So this first pair of shoes are another pair of originals, but these ones are a different color. They're 9.5. So I got the other originals, and it turns out they were only like $50 shoes. I don't know if these are like the more expensive pair. I do, however, like this style because I've seen this pair before when I was looking. So these are the original, and they're the black ones. So let me know how much these are actually worth. If I get the time, I'll look them up, but I've just been really busy with the car and work's been kind of chaos. So these are the shoes. Then inside it is this really big, really big box. So yeah, let's get to it. So much goodness in one box, hopefully. I saw that some people were getting headphones, so I don't know if that's like people that only are new or if that's for everyone or how that works. I know they did it with the glasses that I still have not opened and unboxed because, well, I just haven't had a use for them. But nope, it's all closed. So it comes nice and packaged, like wrapped with their paper and the ThreadBeast sticker. Oh wow, so there's a lot in here, which is what I like to see. Let's go. The first thing we have is a Tavik shirt. Oh, I like that. So you have that on the back, it's like that, and then on the sleeves it has a stripe. I really like this shirt. Okay, this is a good one. I already know I don't know style, so if you see my previous videos and come watch this one, I know I'm not a big fashion person. I don't know all the things. So primitive apparel. Ooh, and it's a sticker instead of, I like that. So it's a sticker that pulls off the tag. That's the way to do it. So you have just a simple t-shirt, primitive. So a lot of their boxes have like diamond, primitive. When you're signing up, you give them your sizes. You can give them basically bold, basic. There's like 3 options that you can choose from for what style you like. I chose the bold and colorful because I do like colors. I like to stand out, and I'm not afraid for change. This is Limited Research Group, LRG. I apologize, my phone is ringing. I will answer that in a little while. So you have, I can wear it. We'll see what the wife thinks of that one. But LRG, I didn't know what LRG was. I had no idea what the company was. Champion, basic Champion shirt with Champion down the sleeve. Oh wow, that's bold. That definitely stands out. Another LRG. But what's funny is someone actually commented that I probably don't know what LRG stands for. It's on the tag. It says exactly what it is. Limited Research Group. But, you know, I can't read or anything. Then the next one, oh, I like that. It is a Quicksilver. Yes. I know the color. And I like it. It's actually a moisture wicking. I can wear this on a Friday for our casual dress clothes. However, I won't be able to because tomorrow I'm off of work because I'm picking Bobby up. Mind you, I don't know when I'm actually posting this, so today is Thursday, but by the time they post this, it's going to probably be Sunday or Monday of next week. It's just I have a lot of videos already scheduled because I just don't have the time to play around and edit that much, so I edit when I can. So you got PSD. These are comfortable. I wore the other pair that was sent in the past box. They're really comfortable. A wallet that I don't need, a Nixon wallet, because yeah, I don't need it. Mine, I have the wallet cell phone case. By the way, that is the new newest iWatch Max, iWatch 10 S Max. Nice. Some jeans. Kenneth Cole. I actually have some Kenneth Cole jeans at home. So this is more what I'll wear. And they are straight leg, which is exactly what I asked for, is straight leg. They also ask you for your pants. Do you wear straight leg, I believe boot cut, or something else? But they have options, you know, relaxed fit, stuff like that. So they get an idea of what you like to wear. Being winter is the perfect time to get things that are designed for winter. We have DC Shoe Co. USA, and they actually put it as a large. They finally listened to me. Is sweatshirts, I prefer large over the normal medium shirts that I wear. So that's those little details that you tell them that they listen most of the time. Not always, because I did ask them for no bags and no hats, but for some reason most of my boxes have gotten hats. But you know, beggars can't be choosy. Yeah, I know I'm paying for the box, but the next thing that it always comes with it that I do like, because my garage is slowly getting stickered up, is it comes with stickers. And then it comes with the ThreadBeast TB of the week, so they have contests every week. If you submit your photo to and tag them on Instagram, you can have a chance to win whatever it is that week. It's usually shoes of some kind or random stuff. So that's that box. Now for the referral box. Yeah, I know, so much clothes. I love it. This is so good. Let's check this box out. So again, the tag tells you, the card that tells you everything that's in it. Another ThreadBeast sticker. My garage is gonna have ThreadBeast all over it. Another pair of the exact same underwear. It's underwear. But some people might be like, why didn't they send something different? Yeah, I agree with you, but you know, it's free. This is like thanks to you guys that use my code. If you follow the instructions in the description, you click on the link, it's gonna give you till midnight to use the code that they provide. It gives you a free $50 towards your box. And on top of that, when you click on it and it shows the link, please click on the link that's within that website to bring you to their page. If you don't click on that second link, I don't get anything from it. You get the discount, but I don't get any thanks for doing these lovely videos and getting you that discount. So please do. But again, Feel 360 fresh socks, and they're short socks. The referral package tells me what it is, the promo codes and stuff like that. Basically, it's a 45-day window that if you did follow all the instructions in 45 days, I'll get like a notice that says, hey, it was a successful referral. So far, I believe this is my 5th referral. I still have 2 more that they owe me, maybe 3. I think it's 2 more. So a Champion t-shirt. Another pair of jeans, and these are A jeans joggers. Oh, these are different. These look comfortable. I've never worn joggers before, so we'll see if the wife likes them. But they're jean joggers. They're like jeans, but kind of like a sweatpant thing. So is this like the new style, or what is this? I don't know. They look comfortable though, so, and they are my size. But that's everything that month came with, this month came with, as well as the referral box. So again, thank you for watching my channel. If you like my videos, I have tons of them. I'm at like 330 something or 340 videos. Go ahead and click that subscribe button over here, and then check out whatever video YouTube recommends to you, or go to my channel and check out all my different videos, from my dogs to my unboxings to my current 370Z Whipple supercharger build. But thanks for watching, and bye.